Unlock the ultimate live sports experience and never miss a game with YouTube TV. First, understand that YouTube TV offers a comprehensive base plan that includes many major sports channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, and NBC, giving you access to a wide array of live games and events right out of the box. For even more dedicated sports coverage, consider exploring the specialized add-in packages available, such as Sports Plus, which unlocks channels like NFL Red Zone, Bein Sports, and Stadium, perfect for the avid fan. To find a specific game, simply use the intuitive search function within the YouTube TV app. Just type in the team name, league, or even the sport you're looking for, and it will pull up all relevant live and upcoming broadcasts. One of YouTube TV's best features is its unlimited DVR, allowing you to record as many games as you want simultaneously and keep them for up to 9 months, ensuring you can always catch up on anything you missed. You can watch your favorite live sports on virtually any device, whether it's your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer, meaning you can stay connected to the action no matter where you are. With YouTube TV, streaming live sports is seamless, easy, and ensures you're always connected to the heart-pounding moments of your favorite teams and events.